Okay guys, so this is how I sound with no DJI. How do you like the sound? Is it good? Is it better? I'm going to try the Hollyland Lakem. Hey guys, so this is how I sound on the Hollyland Lakem 2. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Aisha K and you are welcome to the Oh my god, you guys, I miss you so much. I just want to say, first of all, Happy New Year. I hope 2025 was kind to you as it was sort of kind to me. But if it wasn't kind to you, inshallah, this year is going to be better. It's going to be your best year yet. Because my people, my girlies, this year we're going to lock in. This is the year of locking in. It's just something about 2026 that is giving me hope that this year we're going to lock in. We're going to be becoming the versions of ourselves that we imagine. Did you know that in another world, in another universe, the best versions of you exist? This year we're going to be becoming that version of ourselves, inshallah. So I am currently on a work retreat and I finally got some free time to film some content. I am super excited to be filming today's content. I'm going to be batch content recording. Yes, your girl is batch recording. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So as part of my locking in strategy for 2026 is to try and eliminate every excuses that hinder my progress or my consistency or my productivity. And so the first thing that I think has been holding me back from not filming as much as I would is mics, right? So I want to be able to give you guys as much like a better sound, like a good sound, like a crisp sound. Right now I'm recording with my Rode wireless Me mic. It's a better mic from what I was using, which was just my iPhone. I love the Rode mic, but I decided I was going to upgrade. And so I just wanted to take this opportunity to drum roll, unboxing my little mini mics. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Hollyland LAC M2 wireless lavalier microphone and the DJI mic mini. Oh my god, you guys, I researched so much before finally getting these two, and then there's a reason why I bought the two of them. You will know as we unbox them. Honestly, for me it means so much more. It means me taking my craft seriously. It means me investing in my craft. It really means that like I am serious about this craft, this thing that I think comes easy to me. I think maybe that's part of the reason why I don't pay so much attention to it, because it comes easy for me. I've been doing this thing where I get consistent and then I go off and I disappear and then I come back, and guys, I'm tired. I'm honestly tired. And so this year I want to lock in very seriously, softly but very seriously. And so yeah, let's dive into today's video. What I bought is this, which comes with the mic and then the transmitter, which is a Type-C transmitter. And then I bought the DJI, which has both the Type-C transmitter and the transmitter for camera. So this is how it opens. Oh, thank you for being here for me. Okay. Ooh, okay. So I bought the Type-C receiver because my phone is Type-C, and then the two mics. I love this also because it comes with a magnet, so I can just put it on me and then voila. And I can just have this in my bag. So I'm going to be using these ones mostly for my YouTube videos, because from the videos I've seen, it's better when you use in like within a short range. It's crisp and it works for indoor videos. So I want to be using this mostly for my YouTube videos or for my talking head videos when I do inside. Oh, I love this. Oh yeah, so This is the charger. It has a Type-C charger. Yeah, okay, this is where it charges, and then you use this cord to charge it. By the way, I hate these like cables, this big one, because where am I going to find one of these? I use Type-C for everything these days. I really like this bag. It's cute. The wind shields. So this is, you're supposed to use this outside. You're supposed to use this on this, and I think this is one of the biggest issue with the Hollyland Mac M2 is because this windshield, you don't even know when you cover it. You don't even know if you're covering where the mic is, which is here, which are on the sides. You don't even know if you're covering it because look at how big it is. This is the mic and this is the windshield. Like, it has covered the whole mic. And so this is exactly why I had to get the DJI mini mic. And they have magnets, so you can just stick the microphone on them and wear it on your neck. I don't know if I'll be using this because I want my audios to be as loud and crisp as possible, as rich as possible. So we need to try the Hollyland Lakim 2 first because I noticed it would be easier to use. So how they look, like an actual size of how they look. They are not so big, and I love this. Like, I have a touching your hijab syndrome, guys, so ignore me touching my hijab every now and then. It's a symptom. Okay, so I'm gonna connect this to the iPhone. Hey guys, so this is how I sound on the Hollyland Lakim 2. This is how I sound. I have just one of it on. I don't know if it's crisp, I don't know. So if I press this button right here, it's a yellow button, it's supposed to cancel noise. I have the AC on, and so I'm going to press, I don't know if you can still hear the AC, but I'm going to press this on, see how it sounds. Okay, it's green now, which means the noise cancellation is on. How does that sound? So this is how one sounds. Let me try both. That's how it sounds when I hold it. Hi, I reckon this is like much more clearer and much more crisp and clear compared to just this. Let's see how it sounds. I put it on my hijab. This is how it sounds. I don't know if that's good or bad, but hey, I love this mic really because it's so small, it's so compact. Like, the stickers are like super good. I'm going to just put one here because I don't want everyone to know I'm using Hollyland. We like to be mysterious, and so yeah, I really love this. But my only issue with this is it doesn't have the windscreen. So I was calling it windshield, is windscreen. So the windscreen is also bigger than like the face of it, and the mic is just here. It's just this thing. So if you put the windscreen on here, it covers everything, so you don't even know if it's on or not, because you're supposed to see this light to know it's on or not. And so that's it for Hollyland Lakim 2. Let's try DJI. I like that these are all like packed in one pack. So this is how it comes. I love this bag so much. Like, this is what the Hollyland looks like, and this is what the DJI looks like. I love this because it has a foam. It has like foam inside, and so if your microphone falls, like it can protect it. Can you feel how foamy? I don't know what material this is, but this is just a material. Ooh, it comes in 2 colors. Love. It's a charger, Hollyland. Ooh, they hold together. That's so cool. That's what it looks like. This is the charging ports. This is where you put the charger. It's also Type-C. Ooh, nice. Look at that. And DJI. I mean, I get why people say the DJI is like the best. I think my only issue is it's bigger than the Hollyland. I think this is also mini. It's not that big. It also has a magnet. and this is the transmitter. I bought the camera transmitter so I can easily use this with the camera. There's a Type-C connector. You guys, can you see? Yes! I love this. So I can also use this on my phone because it has Type-C. And I love that it comes with this small thing that you can just attach. So for the Hollyland, if you want the camera one, you have to buy it separately. But I love that this is all in one place. This one comes with 4 windshields. So excited, like I'm so happy I bought these two. Oh, nice. And this is just okay. So DJI, Hollyland, Mac M2. Okay guys, so this is how I sound with no DJI, and it's blinking right now. I'm going to try. I don't even know. I don't know how to tell it's filming. For the Hollyland, it shows a blue thingy on your phone to indicate that something is being connected and is filming. And so I don't know. Can you guys hear this? Can you hear the AC on? I don't know. I'm gonna try this. Okay. So this is how I sound with the DJI. So for noise cancellation, I'm supposed to press the power button once. Oh, okay. I think this one is connected to the Bluetooth. So this one is what controls this one. Noise cancellation is on, as you can see. So I'm guessing this is better. I hope so, because DJI, I had a lot of good things, but I'm not seeing it so much. So I really hope this one is like really connected and is working. But apparently you have to connect it through the app. So I've downloaded the app and I've tried connecting it through the app with Bluetooth. I think that's the downside of the DJI. You have to like download an app to use it. Which is a hassle. For the road, it's the same thing. I had to download an app to see if it's like charged or things like that. I think in terms of connectivity, the Hollyland is definitely easier to connect. It's just easy. It's really smart, I would say. And this has a clip, which I like. I can just click this without using the magnet, but I use the magnet here and the clip is here, and I can just unclip. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this away and try and fix this on my hijab like I did for the Hollyland and see how that sounds. Since the DJI is connected through Bluetooth, it can't control your camera actually. So I pressed, when I was removing it from here, I pressed the button and that stopped my camera. So that's another downside. I'm going to just put it on my hijab. How do you like the sound? Is it good? Is it better? Yeah, like I said, I don't plan on using this for recording because there's a lot, like you have to physically prepare to use it for filming. And so I'm probably going to just stick with the Hollyland for talking head videos like this, indoor videos, and then when I'm out I can use the windscreen on my DJI, or when I go for events videography I can use this. So this is how it sounds on the DJI mini microphone. I'm going to use this to end this video. Thank you so much for all the love, for all the support. And if you're watching this video and you are also planning to lock in this year and be the best version of yourself, remember that you're not lazy. You just need systems. You just need to put systems in place that would help you be as productive as you want to be. And guess what? This year we're doing it. We're killing it. We're locking in, guys. So anyway, welcome to my locking in era. And hey, if you're looking to see more content on womanhood, Muslim womanhood, feminism, discipline, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel, follow and like, share this video. And hey, comment if you've ever bought something just as motivation to start doing the thing you've been putting off for so long. And comment also topics you would want me to talk about if you're interested in any. And see you in my next video, my loves. Bye.